and welcome to another update on my VFL coupe restoration. As you can see, the coupe's there in the background, and what I started doing was using a special weld drill bit and drilling the welds out, but some of them are becoming really hard to find. So then I thought to myself, okay, I'll just cut the guard off, and using the grinder on the compressor, cut that, and that took a couple of times for the compressor to reload. And from about here up, I used a little nibbler, and from here to here, I used a it looks like an angle grinder there, but I used a air tool with a rattle function on it, the seam buster, and yeah, all absolutely useless. So not actually useless, but the air chisel, that's what I used to. But went to Bunnings and bought myself a quality grinder for $19, 500 watt spindle lock, which I thought was quite handy, although it does have provisions on it, so you can lock it in the keyway and then you just use the normal tool on the front. I'm just using this one here, and it's great using this because I don't have to wait for the compressor to reload every couple of minutes. But yeah, this here took, to get this bottom corner off here, took me about a minute, which is the most productive I've been in a very long time. But that's using the angle grinder, the electric powered angle grinder. So I'll continue using that. I've been taking angle off here with the angle grinder, so I can separate the skin from here, and then once I've got that separated all the way around the wheel arch, I can just find where the welds are and take them off neatly without damaging the metal underneath. So yeah, anyway, I've just updated my phone software. It has editing software, so I'm going to see how I can edit. So I'm just going to try and find somewhere with this. There you go. So yeah, give it a try and see how much more of it I can get off, and maybe edit it if it edits. If not, I'll just go back to the old train of thought and reform from scratch. And there you go. So you saw how long that took me just to get that section there off. The only reason I used a chisel was just to help tear it a little bit, because I didn't want to go too far through with the grinder, because it's, as you can see, it's rusty enough in there as it is. I don't want to be putting extra chisel holes through it. But yeah, at this rate I'll have it off in no time. So some exciting progress. So I'll be finishing this off with safety glasses. I was a bit of a dickhead not to wear it in the first place. But anyway, I'll go and find my glasses and finish this off. I was just eager to try and film it. Excited that I've got the new toy XU1 branded tool. And when I said quality, I meant that very loosely. XU1 branded stuff is from Bunnings, and this one costs $19 with the disc. So yeah, XU1 being a Tirana, which is a compact car here in Australia, made by Holden. It's a General Motors car. But anyway, name a tool after something powerful. There's also some power tools that Total Tools named Milwaukee. I'm convinced they're made in Asia, but anyway, give it a name like America or XU1, and people will buy it thinking it's quality. It's not. But if for $20, if this lasts me to get the whole car done, it's $20 well spent. And if it blows up, well, shit happens. $20, just buy another one. And even at $40 for buying two, I'm still well under buying an expensive one that probably after I finish this job I'll never use again. So for that alone, it was job well spent, money well spent. Anyway, thanks for your time for watching, and next video I'll probably have the entire quarter off. Me being a little bit jumping the gun there, but hoping the best, because I've already got the top there done. And thanks to Mother Nature, don't have to worry about this here. Got all the welds out there. Got some more spot welds underneath here to get at, but that's next. Well, I've just been grinding the panel off the car for the last probably half an hour, and yeah, I made mention on another post that I'm actually going to sieve my car and keep whatever metal I can find. But that's all the shit that was in the bottom of the cells of the car, and yeah, so I've gone around it all, got it all off. So I just thought make another video. How's that look? Put it like that. I can't see what I'm filming because I'm filming on my phone. Anyway, so all the ways off now. There you go. It's the old guard. What's left of it. Jesus Christ. I don't know. Hoping this is on camera. Yeah. Giant blob of bog or bondo sitting from the back there. This is the front near the door. Door jams there. Just out of the way. Yeah, I know this comes off with the quarter, but just wanted to get the quarter off first and see what was there. You can see all the way around here. This is actually for the petrol tank fill line. It actually fits flush I like the US one. Wheel tub. Bit of rust about there. That's looking much better than what I thought it would. And there you go. There's also a bracket that goes from there to the guard, which actually rusted off. Anyway, alright, well, I'm gonna get the brush out and sweep up my floor. But that's my achievement. This here is not actually in place. So yeah. Anyway, it seems to be mainly there. Just really that corner piece. Alrighty. Well, thanks for watching my video, and hopefully I can edit this into one video and not make it, I think, 3 different videos. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see what's next. G'day again. Yeah, this is the grinding disc. This is a new one, obviously. And this is what's left after about 40 minutes of grinding. Yes. Maybe half hour. That's good effort anyway. Another Brumby product. They seem to be, never heard of them before, but I've got the that blue little disc that I was using. So I got the wire wheel out and the adapters. Don't know how I feel about them. Don't even know if the 1.25 or the 1.5 thread's the right one. That there obviously isn't. But we'll give it a try and see how we go. Excellent for cleaning rust removal. Excellent for cleaning removal of rust, paint and corrosion. Well, I have rust and corrosion, and my rust is corroded, and my corroded has rusted. Anyway, I'll do the wheel well and see how that goes. So there's the wheel well with all the rust exposed. I gave it a hit with the blue disc by Brumby, which is the plastic. Where is it? Actually, I used this for a little bit. That was useless. I used this strip it disc, which is pretty much stuff now. And I used this in the air tool for most of its life, and just near the end there I used it for a second or two. Any bits you can see shiny metal or metal through it. You can see some rust there, but it's, I don't know what you call it, corroded metal. This one here goes right through that and takes it back to metal again. With the wire wheel, just cleans it up, as opposed to taking off any excess metal. So this one here, I believe, is well, I thought the 100mm disc. I thought maybe the BSD 100 might have been 100 grit. It doesn't say anywhere what sort of grit it is. That's the grinder with the fuck me, it's hot. Anyway, so yeah, there's the the adapter collar in there. So just for the last little bit, just get hit with the wire wheel. Anyway, give that a hit with a bit of white paint for now, just to protect it from rust. Tell it to work on it again next time. And so next thing is just take this. This is the this lip here. It's part of the old skin, and there's the skin previously. I think the quarter might have had a lower skin replacement at one point, or just a piece of sheet metal to repair the bottom, and this wasn't cut by me, that was already just sitting underneath there. Yeah. Oh well. All fun and games when you're trying to restore a car that you love. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and